Can lock cuties with fine and thin hair get a cute wavy braid out? Absolutely. Stay close. Hey good people, it's Sheena and I'm back with another video. So I knew I wanted to do just a few braids going to the back as I was not going to have them in long, so I did not want to have to take a long time taking them down. And since I don't have a lot of locks, I ended up flat twisting the first few locks, and then after that I went into a braid. I'm only using a little bit of lock gel around the roots, and after that I will spray every now and then along the braid if it feels like they're a little bit too dry. Again, because I'm not going for a very like crinkly look, I was not too concerned with my hair being super wet. So I'm just going to continue braiding down, and then after that I'll move on to the next braid. I think I ended up with maybe 5 or 6 braids in the end. Okay, moving on to the second row. This one was a bit of a struggle for me because this is where I have a lot of hair loss and a bald spot. So I'm having to try to cover that up a little bit. And I just went in with a flat twist, and that seemed to work pretty well. And I'm not, you know, trying to twist too tightly or trying to braid too tightly. This is just a quick style just to do something different. And if you have thin and fine hair, this is a nice way to kind of make your hair look like it has a little bit more volume to it. Okay, so I'm just going to clip each braid, the end of each braid with the rubber band, and go ahead and kind of brush up my edges a little bit and put a scarf over it. Let me just say I had not planned on wearing these braids out, but after I brushed my edges down, put a scarf on it, the next morning I was like, I don't know. So I ended up wearing it to work, and then I took them down when I got off that day. But yeah, I wish I would have like put a little bit more effort in braiding them like a little neater, especially the ends. So yeah, this could definitely be a style on its own. So the hair was given its the thuggish ruggish bones when I got done, so I could not help myself but get a little G with it. And like I said, I did end up wearing my hair like this for work. This is how it turned out. And when I got off from work, I got on the couch, got a good little blanket, hair towel, put on a good show, and made sure to put some oil on my hands, fingers for when I got ready to take my hair down. And I want to say maybe 15-20 minutes later, this is the end result. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Show your viewers my omelet. Look at my culinary prowess. And then I doused it in ketchup. Okay, good.